Listen, I gotta show y'all some more of Vermont, man. This is all right. It's a lot of water. It's surrounded by a lot of water. I went over another bridge, and when you look out further out, when you get through the trees, you'll see more water. Lined up. Nice little, small little. Some of these look like trailer homes. They're well kept. Yeah, walk with me through Vermont. This is all right, man. You gotta snatch up them knuckleheads off the corners. You gotta bring them to things like this. Just show them, like, listen, man, you can get off the block, and it's different places. This is like a breath of fresh air for me.
In 3/4 of a mile,
getting out of the
turn
city.
left on Vermont 78, then take the 3rd right.
The only thing I don't like is this road right here. You got these trucks coming your way, and it's just a little yellow line. That's it. And this is a narrow road. And some of these trucks going regular speed, but some of them are breaking the speed limit for sure. I'm not snitching though. I'm not snitching. To get some gas, but these gas stations seem so low. I need
Turn
diesel
left
as
at
well.
the stop sign, then take the 3rd right.
For another bridge. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Nice.
Turn right on Grand Avenue, then take the 1st left. Turn left on 1st Street.
I always feel secure when I see a truck coming from the direction I'm going. Then I know, like, there's no low bridges and so forth. That's just one of my tricks to make sure I don't knock my roof off. And of course, good old truckers app here. Okay, we got some risk takers, drivers here. I'm gonna need some diesel in a minute. I think what I got left. 103 to empty. Yeah, guys, I wasted a lot of. I was just trying to get up here, but I wasted some gas today because I was 600 to. All right, let me get some 328, both of them the same. Okay, let me get some Sunoco here. Just the wrong thing here. Smell this fresh air. Let's see what Vermont smells like. A nice Friday morning. Gotta check them bank accounts too, see if I got some deposits for all this hard work I've been doing. Card out here. Oh. Yeah, smells good. Nice fresh air. Nice breeze. Car. Oh man, diesel. I'm at the wrong pump, guys. Well, wait. Oh. Wrong. Where's the diesel at? Oh, they don't even have diesel, man. Where's the diesel at, man? Here we go, man. That's the diesel? Oh, okay. Oh, man, I almost made a big snafu. Gotta pay attention. Gotta pay attention. Gotta pay attention, guys. I wasn't paying attention. I'm too far away from home for these errors. Wouldn't you agree? I don't want no smoke. Hold on a second. Let's see.